BLIK is one of the leading mobile payment systems in Europe and a member of the European Association. What is the goal of this initiative and why interoperability between national mobile payment systems has become so important now?
We deeply believe that first of all, it's a customer need. Customers are really requesting right now this opportunity to transfer money across countries, not only within our countries. And this is our responsibility. I mean, BLIK's responsibility, MBWays, Bizum, Bancomat, VIPs, all the leading platforms from the countries. This is our common responsibility to deliver a service which would enable to send money across countries with fantastic user experience of our local solutions. So this is why we are here. We want to learn a little bit more what is happening right now in Italy. And we are very much interested in the operations of delivering BLIK's P2P transfers here in Milan, Rome, in the whole Italy.
What stage has the project reached today?
The very first stage was, as we remember, almost last year, at the end of last year, first transactions between platforms like Bizum, Bancomat, and MBWay have been executed. I think it's still at a very early rollout stage. From Poland, right now representing not only Poland, but also Slovak market at the same time. We are, I would say, integrating our platform right now with a very specific ambition, still this year. So it will be probably 1 year after the initial transactions. We are supposed to showcase first transactions, production transactions coming from Polish banks and coming to Polish banks, customers. And this is supposed to happen very, very soon. And there will be a very important event within 2 weeks' time in Portugal, in Lisbon, where we are planning to showcase the first transactions over there. So we are very, very much advanced. Of course, we will have to roll out it to other banks in Poland. We deeply believe that there is a strong will of Polish banking sector to join the European initiative via our rails of BLIK. And we are very motivated because, as I said, we do believe that this is really our responsibility to connect Europe. It's not only about financial services, this is really about European integration as well.
What is the added value of this cooperation and how do you see its evolution?
I think that European banks are coming with more and more interesting innovations to the countries. Some of the countries in Europe have scaled the banking innovations to an incredible extent. Our Polish case is like 83% of all mobile banking customers are using BLIK on daily basis. They are using P2P instant transfers on daily basis. Right now we want to upgrade the service and enable them to transfer the money outside Poland. We do believe that the notion of sovereignty and keeping of payments and keeping the relationship of the customer and his bank within the mobile environment and ecosystem, and not letting the customer go outside the banking ecosystem to big tech ecosystem, for example, is our responsibility. We are doing this in Poland. There are other solutions as well. Here we are in Italy as well, that are really planning to go exactly the same way. And this is why we really think that this is responsibility of BLIK, of our banks, really to propose the service to the customers. And we are very excited that within 2 weeks' time, after this fantastic Salone dei Pagamenti, we will be in Lisbon and we'll be showing exactly how it works from Polish banks.
European is an important milestone of your European strategy. What are your other priorities in Europe?
In the strategy of the development of BLIK outside Poland, on one side, the integration with Europe for the P2P instant money transfers, which is our priority. But on the other hand, we are step by step expanding our payments, let's say, services to other countries. As I would say, the popularity of BLIK in Poland is huge. There is a huge, I would say, requirement from our shareholders as well to go outside Poland. So we have already invested in 2 countries, in Slovakia, a neighboring country to Poland. We are present right now and we are fully licensed in Romania. In the coming months, we'll be showing our first projects integrating BLIK to the banking sector. But to be honest, we have bigger ambitions. And very soon, I think we'll be announcing. It's definitely the whole Central European region, which is in the heart of our interest. And we are doing our concrete steps right now. we do believe that there is a strong need for a solution, banking solution, embedded fully in the mobile banking application, successfully operating in e-commerce, in contactless, ATMs, P2P, and there is a strong need to have such a solution in Central European region. This is our responsibility, our plan to be there.